we'll press comment down here, and then right away we've got the pop-up here.
Here you have your normal tools, the ones that you had before, like the pen, and in this case the line one. And you can see that next to the colors that before were on the top, you have some predefined comments. These comments, in fact, came from a research that we've done looking at what was the most used words for like the comments that you sent to us for the last year. And you have them in order from remove, smooth, clean to restore. And now to facilitate your input, you click on one of these colors, like clean. And when you draw something in the image, you will automatically see this text popping up on the quality panel. So you don't have to type this every time that you want to give us feedback.
Usually you would have to write in this text box right here, whatever comment you add.
Exactly.